In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a jingle using Suno AI in just 5 minutes. Whether you're crafting a catchy tune for an advertisement or a personal project, we'll walk through the process from start to finish, ensuring you can produce a polished jingle with ease. First things first, head over to the Suno website. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. Otherwise, just sign in with your existing credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Create tab or button. This section is your gateway to the song generation interface and will set the stage for transforming your lyrics into a jingle. Now, for the best and most tailored results, you'll want to switch to custom mode. This mode is particularly useful as it provides separate fields for both lyrics and musical style, giving you more control over your creation. In the lyrics box, you'll have the flexibility to either type or paste the words for your jingle. Don't forget to give the AI some structure by using meta tags to define sections such as intro, chorus, and outro. These tags help in segmenting your jingle, making it more melodic and organized. Next, let's dive into the style of music field. Here, you'll need to describe the mood, genre, and overall feel you're aiming for. Specificity is key in achieving your desired outcome. Are you going for an upbeat pop jingle or perhaps a catchy acoustic guitar tune? You might even want a professional radio ad jingle with male vocals. The clearer you are, the better the AI can tailor the jingle to your vision. Once you have input all the necessary details, it's time to click the Create button. Suno AI will then generate 2 different versions of your jingle based on your inputs. This feature gives you options, allowing you to select the one that resonates with your initial concept. After generation, take a moment to listen to both versions. Choose your preferred one, or if neither is quite right, feel free to tweak your prompts and generate again until you're satisfied with the result. This iterative process ensures you end up with a jingle that meets your standards. Once you've found the perfect tune, the final step is to download it as an audio file. This feature allows you to easily incorporate the jingle into your projects or share it with others. And there you have it. You've successfully created a jingle using Suno AI with minimal hassle. Remember, with Suno AI's intuitive interface, producing high-quality audio content is both quick and straightforward. Thanks for watching, and happy jingling!